Hi guys, welcome back to Lit Mode. So SBI PO, RRB PO and IBPS PO, all three measurements have concluded. So our subscribers have performed really well, and in this video we are going to discuss the GA questions which were directly asked from our content, our PDF, our videos. You can see a feedback here also, like this subscriber scored around 80% marks, and he's also saying the same, that invest 1 by 10th of the effort. Okay, invest 1 by 10th of the effort and you can definitely score more than 80% with 1 by 10th of the effort. What he mean by 1/10 of effort, I will show you in this particular video, so kindly stay tuned till the end. Before going into that, in this video, I will discuss first 20 to 25 questions which were asked directly in IBPS, and in the second part I will discuss full 40 questions, and around 90% questions were from our content. Earlier we have also published for other exams. Now further exams which are in pipeline, like RRB clerk mains on 28th of February, IBPS clerk mains on 20th February, SEBI RBI grade B on 6th of March, ECGC PO is also scheduled in mid of March, NPS grade A and B, SBI junior associate is again coming. So this video is extremely important for all those exams which are going to scheduled or going to happen in next 3 months. So kindly be full attentive and do focus whatever I am teaching you. Before going to into that, let's give you the live review of a guy who have scored very well in these exams because of our content. So let's start. Let's listen him.
कि बच्चे नॉर्मली ऐसी जगहों से 5,000-5,000 पेज के पीडीएफ्स पढ़ते हैं, वीडियो देखते हैं रोज 2-2 घंटे। इतना लगाने का, जैसे आप खुद कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो कि 6 महीने में 360 घंटे लगाने के बाद एक बच्चा 25 कर रहा है और आप लगाए हो 30 घंटे में आप 25 ला रहे हो, तो ऑब्वियसली टाइम ऐसे इस हिसाब से मतलब देखना चाहिए ना, मतलब रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट वो उस हिसाब से देखा जाए तो बहुत मतलब उनका खराब है। बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, क्योंकि वो 350 घंटे में वो बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं ना, वो अपनी मैथ की मेहनत। अभी सर वही है ना, पहले सर मैं भी इसी ट्रैप में था, मतलब डेली 2 घंटे। सर पढ़ाई कितनी होती है, फिर पढ़ाई 5 घंटे दिन में पढ़ सकते हैं और इससे ज्यादा तो पढ़ नहीं सकते। 5 घंटे पढ़ते हैं, उसमें से 2 घंटे दिए तो चलेगा और बाकी इधर आ गए। वही सर 2 घंटे एक हफ्ते के लगाओ, मतलब आपकी पीडीएफ है एक हफ्ते की आती है, मतलब 2 घंटे की वो पढ़ो, दैट्स इट, एक दिन, और बाकी दिन आपको 2 घंटे डेली आप किसी और सब्जेक्ट को देकर उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकते हैं। तो पहले आप भी मतलब वही करते थे जो नॉर्मल बच्चे करते हैं, है ना? यार सर यही तो मैं ट्रैक में फंसा हुआ था। मैं इवन तो मुझे पता था, मुझे वो आपको बताया ना, मुझे संदीप अरोड़ा, उसने मुझे बताया था, लेकिन सर वैसे ही देखने के पहले ट्रस्ट नहीं बनता है सर। जैसे खुद आज आंखों से आज देखा ना, तो आज सर मतलब ऐसे आंखों से पट्टी उतर गई वो ऐसा सर मतलब लग रहा है कि कुछ मतलब अभी तक भी एग्जाम देने से पहले भी मुझे इतना नहीं लग रहा था कि चलो ठीक है, मतलब आप कह रहे थे, फिर भी होता है ना जब तक आंखों से ना देखे तो वो ट्रस्ट फैक्टर नहीं आता है। तो अभी सर मतलब आज तो कमाल हो गया देखकर, मुझे अच्छा लगा। आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड योर फीलिंग। बिल्कुल, मतलब कोई फीडबैक देता है कि हाँ यहाँ से, क्योंकि संदीप के भी 4 सिलेक्शन हुए थे लास्ट ईयर और अभी आप 3 मेंस दे के आए हो, मुझे लगता है 2 की इंटरव्यू कॉल आपकी पक्का आने वाला है और आप निकाल भी लोगे इंटरव्यू, क्योंकि कम्युनिकेशन स्किल आपका अच्छा है। तो इसलिए बेफिक्र रहो, इंटरव्यू कॉल आएगा, उसमें भी हम लोग हेल्प करेंगे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। मॉक इंटरव्यू जो हमारे सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं उनको मॉक इंटरव्यू फ्री में देते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। ओके सर, ओके, ठीक है।
So as you listened, this guy has scored very well in the recent happening mains exams of PO. So let me conclude in short what he was trying to convey for those people who are from South India who can't understand Hindi. So he was telling that earlier he used to read from a source. I will not name the source, but from this source he used to go through 5,000 pages of PDF for around 6-7 months. He used to follow source Y and he used to follow daily 1 hour video. So monthly around let's say 60 hours on watching video and making notes. Again the Z, from Z he used to again do the quizzes. So basically using all this he used to spend at least 100 hours per month only on GK. And what happened in the recent exam like SBI PO, IBPS PO mainly, the maths and the reasoning was very critical, very tough. Those were of MBA levels, directly saying. So only those people will qualify SBI PO and IBPS PO who have scored at least 30 plus in English descriptive and around 25-30 marks at least in GA. So they will definitely have an edge, because the cutoff is not going to be 70-80, not more than that, including descriptive. So those guys who have scored 60 in these two areas, and if I add English and maths reasoning, then they will be safe. So this guy was trying to say that if somebody is giving 400 hours in 5-6 months on GK only, how he or she is going to devote that much time to maths and reasoning? So that was the question mark. And here lit mode comes into the play. Basically, leverage your time. So let's start leveraging your time. The first question was, who launched payout links for businesses? So in our November week 2 PDF, you can see here it's clearly mentioned that Paytm launched payout links for businesses. Mr. Vijay Shekhar Sharma, the CEO of Paytm, and the video is also on YouTube. You can go to the trailing videos and you can find this particular video, and I have mentioned in that also that Google Pay was charging 30% commission, and at the same time Vijay Shekhar Sharma came into the rescue of the Indian startups, and he said that this is wrong. Global firms can't rule over Indian firms and directly can't ask for this much payment. So he launched a small app store, and payout link also was a initiative in the same chain for the Indian small businesses and Indian startups. So payout links was directly asked in IBPS PO. Next question was, name the cooperative bank to get a license of a small finance bank. January week 1 PDF and video. You can go to the video and you can see we have clearly mentioned that Shivalik Mercantile Cooperative Bank, SMCB, has received a license from the RBI as a small finance bank. So UP based this bank has got the license, and this is also on YouTube. You can go back and check our videos. You will find this video. So these questions were directly from our PDFs and videos. Again, this question, third question, world's largest scooter factory by Ola at, the location was asked. December week 2 question. Ola, the CEO Bhavish Aggarwal. World's largest scooter factory by Ola at Hosur, Tamil Nadu. CEO Bhavish Aggarwal. So this was specifically mentioned, and the Tamil Nadu is leading in every policy. If we talk about semiconductor policy, electronics policy, recently Tata Motors also invested heavily, because Ratan Tata is in news because of that Bharat Ratna campaign initiated by Mr. Vivek Bindra. So you are seeing questions are directly coming from our PDF. Still you have exams like IBPS clerk, RRB clerk, RBI grade B, ECGC PO, NPS, SBI, anything under the sun, and you are worrying of GK, financial awareness, static, anything. This is the solution. Come to lit mode, leverage your time. GA, GK for RRB, SBI, IBPS, RBI, everything, and researched content for achieving the best score. When I say researched content, means it will not be everything. It will be only crisp and clear content, but that will be comprehensive, I promise you. And you will get the content from May-June to this March. So you can pick comfortably. If you want to read 4-month GK, you can do it. If you want to read 1 year GK, if you are a UPSC aspirant, you can go from May also. So that's basically up to you. Many people are also complaining that the price is a bit higher, but listen, 100 rupees per month, that's what we are asking you. We are also planning to launch an app, and we need more financial resources to serve you in a better manner. So if you are not able to pay also 100 rupees per month, and you are targeting jobs like, if I talk about SEBI job, it's of 1.08 lakh per month. And if I see the lowest salary job also, so that also pays 20k per month. So for a 20k per month job also, you are not able to pay 100 rupees per month. That because we need financial resources to serve you better. We have to also plan the app. We have also to fix few people for customer service, because we get many mails, many telegram messages, whatsapp messages, facebook messages, and instagram messages, emails also. So we need customer handling people also, so we need also more resources. So if you will support us, then we will bring qre also, we will bring qre initiatives also, where you are suffering. See, quant and reasoning, nobody on internet is teaching very good, so there also we have some plans, but you will have to support us. If you can't subscribe us, at least share our videos to your friends, like the video, comment, at least share, because sharing is caring, and that will eventually help us also. So the fourth question was reverse repo. Reverse repo rate was directly asked. So you also know that reverse repo rate is 3.35%. It's always below repo rate, and the repo rate is 4%. Why reverse repo rate is at 3.3% below repo rate? Because see, repo rate is the rate at which banks take loan from RBI. Okay, so if bank is taking loan from RBI, why? Because they will lend those money to the final consumer, you and me. Now reverse repo rate is that if consumers deposits more money in the bank, so what bank will do if they are not finding industrialist or some place to park that money? So they will not just keep the money in the locker, they want some interest, some kind of gain on that money, so they will again deposit that with RBI. So RBI will not provide more. One second, my mic got disturbed. So RBI is, one second, I apologize. So RBI is not going to pay the bank more than repo rate. Obviously they will pay less than the repo rate. That's why the repo rate will be 3.35% and it will be less than the repo rate. So from last few quarters we are seeing that RBI's stance is accommodative. Accommodative means not going up, not going low. They will watch the future and then only decide on the rates. Why it's so? Because of pandemic, because inflation is also on the border and the growth is also a little bit on the borderline. So everything seems dubious. The future is bright, obviously bright, but yes, RBI is taking a accommodative stance, and they don't want to push more liquidity in the market, and at the other hand they also don't want to kill the consumer demand. So they are maintaining a accommodative stance. So let's stop this debate here only, because in the full RBI course, in the economic and social issues video, we have discussed that in a little bit detail. So let's move to question number 5. This was related to FX4U, is a tech product of which bank? So Canara Bank was the answer. December week 3 covered in our PDF. Canara Bank announced the launch of its new tech product FX4U for a forex transaction handling. So obviously forex for you is a transaction handling tech product launched by Canara Bank. Now the foreign exchange of India, means RBI, which is maintained by RBI, is around $590 billion at 7th of February. So recently our forex reserve is $590 billion and it's going to touch eventually $600 billion. Now in the comment box, just tell me which countries are above India in the total forex exchange. Let me know. Question number 6. Signature Visa debit card is a product of which bank? So this was covered in the impact. Now you may ask, what is impact? So let's make you something clear. We provide weekly PDFs, weekly videos, and before the exam we also provide few small impact PDFs, not more than 5-10 pages. These are very small, can be consumable in easily 2-3 hours, and the rate of questions coming directly from impact is too high. Obviously impact may consist questions from these PDFs and videos which are weekly also, but if you are going to read these impacts, you will definitely boost your score in GK in the minimum time. So that's impact for you people, to score, to boost, to make an impact. Question number 6. And Signature Visa debit card is a product of Bank of India, and you can see here that high net worth individual HNI maintaining an average quarterly balance of 10 lakh and above will be given this card. It's not basically HNI, but yes, high net individual who will maintain balance of 10 lakh and above. Question number 7. Who will head IFFI International Jury? So the answer is Pablo Caesar. January week 1 PDF. Again, every month we give you one video in free, and January week 1 is for free on YouTube. You can go and watch this. Pablo Caesar will head the 51st IFFI's International Jury, and this was happening in Goa, I think. So this is question number 7 for you. And again, a good news, recently after SSR demise, then there was a lots of issues going on, and recently an actor, his name is Adarsh Gaurav. Again, he is from Jharkhand, and he is pure talent. You would have seen him in web series Hostel Days and a movie Rukh also. So for the White Tiger, recent movie The White Tiger, he has been nominated for best male actor in the BAFTA awards. So Adarsh Gaurav has reached there, a pure talent, and you can go and watch his Hostel Days, Rukh movie in which Manoj Vajpayee is also there, and The White Tiger, which is streaming on Netflix. So let's move to question number 8. NSDL tie up with which insurance brand? So the answer is NSDL Payment Bank and partnered with HDFC Ergo. Okay, so HDFC Ergo will be the answer, and this was covered in the November week 4 PDF. And why it has basically tied up with HDFC? To customize insurance solutions. Question number 9. FinIn is the first DAS partner with SBM Bank India. So the answer is FinIn launched India's first neo-banking platform partnered with SBM Bank India. Now what is neo-banking? Neo-banking is 100% digital. Like you don't have to go to bank. Everything from account opening to maintenance to lending, everything will be done digitally, and that's called neo-banking. So FinIn is the first launched by SBM Bank of India. Now question number 10, Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. So few people told that the theme was asked and few told that the date was asked. So if anything was asked, both were mentioned in December week 1 PDF. The theme was contributing to Atmanirbhar Bharat, and the 16th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas happened on 9th of January. Both stuff were captured in our PDF, and that's why nobody provides you a proper theme. And I have also seen that many students keep complaining that many market players provide wrong theme, wrong content. So we provide everything which is necessary, and that is eventually showing in this particular slide. So let's move to question number. Okay, so before moving to question number 11, I want to show you some again very beautiful feedback from our students who have leveraged their time and saved their time using our modules and tools. So if you are also missing out, do check out our courses and try to gain and boost your score in the upcoming exams. Moving forward, question number 11. Wood-based satellite will be launched by which country? So wood-based satellite will be launched by Japan. Japan will be the first country to launch wood-based satellite by 2023 to reduce space debris. Now you will be thinking, what's space debris? See, the Earth is here and every country is launching satellites. So what's happening? The age of satellite is also limited. Let's say 1 to 10 years. So after that, because there is no atmosphere, no gravity, so it keeps revolving. It keeps revolving. So those are called debris. Unused satellite, basically the worst part. And the risk is, if any working satellite gets disturbed by this debris, so that satellite will be basically totally destroyed. That's why space debris is a very big issue nowadays in the tech world, or you can say space world. India, US, Russia, China, and you can say Europe also, they have a common organization for space missions. So these are basically responsible for this, and Japan has taken a very good initiative. So this question was asked. So you see questions which are meaningful and also asked in exam. So try to read GK from that perspective also. Now again a question from Impact 1. Current permissible limit of trans fatty acid in oil. So trans fatty acid, the current permissible limit is 3% for 21 and 2% by 2022. from the current permissible limit of 5%. That's why you are also seeing a hike in the price of refined oil as well as the mustard oil is not applicable here, but yes, the mustard oil price is also rising. So FSSAI, Food Security and Safety Authority of India, has capped the amount of trans fatty acid in oils and fats to 3% for 2021 and 2% by 2022 from the current permissible limit of 5%. And here one more bonus thing, firepower index. According to global firepower index released this week, Pakistan army is among the world's 10 most powerful militaries in the world. India is ranked 4th of 138th of the countries. US is the first. So Pakistan is in top 10. Obviously they are not focusing on their economy also. Their government is also controlled by the army, and different things happen over there. But yes, that's an alarming thing for India as well as Pakistan. Instead of spending on health and education, we are spending at least around 5 to 10% of our GDP continuously from last 70 years on defense. We are not going to fight we have not fought any war in last 20 years, but still we have to fight with poverty, or we have to fight with country. That was basically a line from Atal Bihari Vajpayee, which he said in Lahore in 2003. But again, Pakistan is like, what I can say. Let's move. Question number 13. World's largest floating solar plant at which dam? So the answer is Omkareshwar Dam. This was also covered in January week 1 PDF. So January week 1 was very heavy. Many questions coming directly from January week 1. World's largest 600 megawatt solar energy project to be built at Omkareshwar Dam on Narmada River in Madhya Pradesh. Question number 14. SBM Bank located at? So SBM Bank is located at Mauritius. So the full form of SBM is not a State Bank of India or Maharashtra. It's basically State Bank of Mauritius. It is the first foreign lender to receive banking license in India through wholly owned subsidiary route. SBM Bank tied up with FinTech Pay Nearby to offer open banking to masses also. Question number 15. Okay, so before moving to question number 15, a small declaration that our RBI Grade B Phase 1 GK course is live and RBI Grade B Phase 1 test series is live. First test is totally free. First test is free for everyone. So go and attempt the RBI Grade B first mock test totally free for everyone. If you like it, do subscribe to our combo course, which is highly affordable. And if you want to clear RBI Grade B in the first attempt, do check out our full course as well. So let's move to the next question. Question number 15. IPPB launched a digital payment app. So what's the name of that app? So the name of the app is Dank Pay. And what's the full form of IPPB? India Post Payment Bank, which has launched Dank Pay. Dank means postman. Impact 2. It has been covered in Impact 2. Let's move to question number 16. Winner of ATP Tour in tennis, November week 3 question. I specifically discussed about Nadal, Roger Federer and Novak Djokovic also in this particular video, and Daniel Medvedev has beaten Dominic Thiem to win ATP Tour final tennis, and this question was directly asked. Few more questions which you can read. India's AI supercomputer Param Siddhi has achieved 63rd rank among top 500 most powerful non-distributed computer system in the world. Nitish Kumar was sworn in as CM of Bihar for the 7th time. He is basically NDA supported minister. JDU got less seat, BJP got more seat. Still Nitish Kumar is the CM because he was the face, and Nitish Kumar is going to be the CM for 20 years, and in the 21st century in India no CM has got this position for 20 years. So Nitish Kumar has done something good, that's why he is there. So let's move to the next. And Department of Investment and Public Asset Management, DIPAM, has signed an agreement with World Bank to provide advisory services to DIPAM for asset monetization. Now this question was also asked. Let's move and we will find this question also. So yes, question number 17. DIPAM has signed an agreement with which body for asset monetization? And you can see here from this particular snippet, 2 questions are coming. Means people come back and give a call and say, sir, we think that IBPS is copying the content from late PDF. So let's move fast, otherwise IBPS may also listen. Jokes apart. So if you want to score 90% or more than that in GK, so come with Lit Mode annual course. The price is 100 rupees per month only. Come and join us. And one more thing, that 100% score in GK is not possible. I have not seen this, but yes, 90% and more than that is obviously possible, and you can do it. Name India's 67th chess grandmaster. So the answer is Leona Mendonca. November week 3 PDF, it has been covered. Goa's 14-year-old Leona Mendonca has become India's 67th chess grandmaster. Question number 19, MSF definition. So marginal standing facility rate, and in the RBI snippet, in the impact, we have mentioned all this. So this was a very easy question which you have correctly answered. CapEx full form. Again, in our PDF we have mentioned capital expenditure. So CapEx full form is capital expenditure. It was basically a common sense question, and it was covered in our PDF also. So additional budget of 25,000 crore is being provided for capital expenditure. So you saw in this part that many questions were from our PDFs, and around 80-90% questions were directly from our content. So people have scored really well, and you can see the reviews also, and people are scoring very good using our content module. So with full confidence, come and subscribe our courses. Don't worry, if you want the selection in 2021, you are at the right place. You are lucky. Just go for it and subscribe with full confidence. So join the hunt this year and leverage your time. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content and our effort, do like the video and comment about your experience, and also subscribe the channel to never miss a video in the next time. So our social media pages link is also in the description. Go and follow us on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, everywhere, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere. So thank you for watching the video. God bless you all.